How to fix Microsoft error code, 0x80072EFD. First open Start and type WS Reset. Right-click on it and click on Run as Administration. Now wait for Microsoft Store to be repaired. After that, restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first open Start and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Internet option. Open Advanced tab. Select Use TLS 1.2. Press Apply and then OK. Now your problem should be fixed. Guys, please like and subscribe my channel.